Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial video. On this video, we're at our script generator tool, and today we're going to look at its options, for example, my avatar, new avatar, and also generate script. But first, once you click on the script generator, it'll take you to the dashboard, and over here we have some video training, for example, a walkthrough dashboard tutorial. We also have a tutorial on generating scripts and a new avatar. You also have a search option, and if you want to add a new avatar from here, you can just click here. You can also just go over here and create a new avatar right here. But secondly, we're going to go to my avatar, and here is where your avatars that you already created would be. You can see that I only have one in this tutorial. If you guys would like to create one, you can come over here. And what this avatar means is basically your perfect customer for your product or for whatever you are offering. So pay really close attention to these questions, because there is a lot of them, as you guys can see, and they are very specific. So just answer them the best you guys can, as would your perfect customer be, just because you create scripts for this ideal avatar profile. And this step is very important for the process. Since I already have one avatar, I'm not going to create one right now, just because there's a lot of questions to be filled. I'm not going to go over all of them, but once you're in the last one, you can just click on save and it will be saved to my avatar area, just like this one. Once you create it, you can edit it over here, you can duplicate it, and you can also delete it. If you click edit, it's going to take you to the questions page as the step 1 through 6, but since we already done that, we're just going to go to generate script. Over here is where you can choose if you want a personal development script, if you want internet marketing, local business, health and fitness, and all of these over here. For this example, I'm just going to choose internet marketing. For my avatar, we're going to select tutorial. If you guys don't have an avatar, you guys will not be able to generate a script. It will not let you save it. So just be sure that you create an avatar before doing this. And over here we can get funnel scripts, webinar scripts, advertising scripts, joint venture scripts, and all of these over here. I'm just going to get a email script, and here you can choose what type of script do you want. I'm just going to select lead magnet welcome email, click on it, and it will give me a template of the email that I selected. So as you guys can see over here, I have all of this written up for me automatically. And you can see you have my name over here because I set it as my name. I didn't put any social media, so we had the NA option over here, but you guys get the point. It will create a perfect email selected to your perfect avatar. And over here on the email page, you can also edit it and add a section. If you click over here on add section, we can add a pre-headline, headline, bullet points, and all of that. I'm just going to add a pre-headline, and once you click on it, it will have a bunch of options. I'm just going to choose the first one, and it will go automatically to my email as they did over here. And just keep in mind, guys, that this is a automated message, so there might be grammar problems or grammar mistakes. Be sure to read everything that the emails say so you guys can see if there's any errors with it. And once you guys do that, you guys can come over here and save script. But first, we're going to go and name our template. We're going to put tutorial again, and we're going to save it. And our template has been saved. Once we do that, we can go to dashboard, and we can see that our tutorial is saved over here. And if we click on it, it will take us to our template and just load. And as you guys can see, it's right here. We can go back to new avatar so I can show you guys something. For example, if you guys did not want this option over here, you guys could put an A like this. If you guys do not have an answer for it, and it would work perfectly fine. I said that before, but I just wanted to show you guys so you guys see how it will look like. Once you guys done this, you guys pretty much created your avatar and generated your script. This is going to be it for the video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.